Monaco. The name conjures images of high rollers, gleaming yachts, and the exhilarating rush of Formula One races. It's a playground for the rich and famous, a place where luxury knows no bounds. But beneath this glitzy veneer lies a world of hidden gems, waiting to be discovered. Beyond the opulence, there's a Monaco that few take the time to see. Venture beyond the casinos and luxury boutiques, and you'll find a different side to Monaco, a place rich in history, brimming with culture, and blessed with natural beauty. It's a side that tells the story of a principality that has stood the test of time. Join travel fans as we delve into the heart of this tiny principality and uncover its lesser-known treasures. From hidden alleyways to secret gardens, there's so much more to explore. Forget the fast cars and designer labels for a moment. Let's take a step back and immerse ourselves in the serene and authentic experiences that Monaco has to offer. Imagine strolling through fragrant gardens perched on cliffs, exploring ancient fortresses with breathtaking views, and mingling with locals at bustling markets. These are the moments that capture the true essence of Monaco. This is the Monaco we're about to discover, a place where centuries-old traditions meet modern-day life in a captivating blend. It's a fusion that creates a unique and enchanting atmosphere. So put on your walking shoes, grab your sense of adventure, and let's go beyond the bling. Together, we'll uncover the hidden stories and secret spots that make Monaco truly special. Our first stop takes us high above the shimmering Mediterranean Sea, to the breathtaking Jardin Exotique. This extraordinary botanical garden clings to a sheer cliff face, offering stunning panoramic views of the coastline that stretch as far as the eye can see. Wander through a labyrinth of lush winding paths, discovering exotic plants from around the world. Each turn reveals a new wonder, a new species to marvel at. Towering cacti, vibrant succulents, and delicate orchids thrive in this unique microclimate, creating a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures. The air is thick with the intoxicating scent of blooming flowers, and the melodious sound of birdsong fills the air, creating a symphony of nature. Look closely, and you might even spot a chameleon camouflaged among the lush foliage, a testament to the garden's thriving wildlife. Descend into the cool, dark depths of the observatory cave, where ancient stalactites and stalagmites create an otherworldly atmosphere, a hidden gem within the garden. The Jardin Exotique is a true oasis of tranquility, a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of Monte Carlo. Here, time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty and peace of nature. From the heights of the Jardin Exotique, we descend to sea level, where the mighty Fort Antoine stands guard over the harbor, a sentinel of Monaco's rich maritime history. Built in the 18th century, this fortress has witnessed centuries of history, standing resilient through the ages. Today, it serves as a unique open-air theater, hosting performances throughout the summer months. The fort's transformation into a cultural venue adds a modern twist to its historical significance. Step inside the fort's walls, and you'll be transported back in time. The thick stone walls and ancient architecture tell tales of a bygone era. Imagine soldiers patrolling the ramparts, cannons booming across the water, and the thrill of victory or the agony of defeat. The fort's strategic position made it a crucial point of defense. The views from the fort are simply breathtaking, offering a different perspective on Monaco's iconic skyline. From here you can see the blend of the old and new, the historical and the contemporary. As the sun sets over the Mediterranean, casting a warm glow on the ancient stones, you can almost hear the echoes of history whispering in the wind. The serene beauty of the sunset adds a poetic end to a day spent exploring this remarkable fortress. Our next destination takes us to the heart of Monaco's culinary scene, Les Perles de Monte-Carlo. This family-run oyster farm, nestled in the harbor, offers a glimpse into a unique and sustainable industry. Learn about the delicate process of cultivating oysters from seed to plate. Taste the freshest oysters imaginable, plucked straight from the pristine waters of the Mediterranean. The briny flavor of the sea explodes in your mouth, a true taste of Monaco's coastal bounty. Enjoy a glass of crisp white wine as you watch the boats bobbing in the harbor, and savor the moment. Les Perles de Monte-Carlo is a hidden gem that embodies the perfect blend of tradition, sustainability, and culinary excellence. No trip to Monaco is complete without a visit to the Old Town. Perched on a rocky promontory overlooking the Mediterranean, this historic district is a maze of narrow, winding streets, pastel-colored buildings, and charming squares. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways, discovering hidden courtyards, quaint boutiques, and traditional restaurants. Visit the Prince's Palace, the official residence of the Grimaldi family, and witness the changing of the guard ceremony. Explore the Oceanographic Museum, home to a vast collection of marine life and exhibits. As you wander through the old town, you'll feel a sense of history and tradition all around you. This is the true heart of Monaco, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Monaco's artistic spirit thrives beyond the glitz and glamour. Discover hidden galleries showcasing contemporary art, sculpture gardens tucked away in peaceful corners, and open-air installations that surprise and delight. The Principality's commitment to fostering creativity is evident in its diverse art scene. Seek out the works of local artists, inspired by the beauty of the Mediterranean landscape and the vibrant energy of Monaco. Attend a performance at the Monte Carlo Opera, a masterpiece of Belle Époque architecture, and immerse yourself in the world of music and dance. Monaco's artistic legacy is as rich and varied as its history, offering a feast for the senses and a glimpse into the soul of the Principality. The thrill of speed, automotive excellence. While Monaco is synonymous with Formula One racing, its automotive passion extends far beyond the Grand Prix. The Principality boasts a remarkable collection of vintage cars, classic automobiles, and rare vehicles, showcasing the evolution of automotive design and engineering. Visit the Monaco Top Cars collection, home to Prince Rainier III's private collection, and marvel at iconic models from Bugatti, Rolls-Royce, and Ferrari. Explore the Monaco Motor Museum, dedicated to the history of motorsports, and relive the excitement of legendary races. From sleek sports cars to elegant limousines, Monaco's automotive treasures offer a glimpse into the world of speed, luxury, and innovation. Serenity amidst the glamour Japanese garden. Escape the hustle and bustle of Monte Carlo in the tranquil oasis of the Japanese garden. Designed by landscape architect Yasuo Beppu, this serene garden embodies the principles of Zen philosophy, offering a haven of peace and tranquility. Stroll through meticulously manicured gardens featuring waterfalls, streams, and a variety of Japanese plant species. Admire the intricate details of traditional Japanese architecture, including a tea house, a stone lantern, and a Zen garden. The Japanese garden is a testament to the power of nature to soothe the soul and inspire a sense of inner peace. A glimpse into the past. Monaco Cathedral. Step back in time at Monaco Cathedral, a beautiful example of Romanesque Byzantine architecture. Built in the late 19th century, the cathedral is the final resting place of Prince Rainier III and Princess Grace. Admire the intricate mosaics, stained glass windows, and Carrara marble altarpiece. Attend a mass or simply soak in the peaceful atmosphere of this sacred space. The Monaco Cathedral is a testament to the Principality's rich history and enduring faith. Unveiling the true Monaco. Monaco is a land of contrasts, where glitz and glamour coexist with history, culture, and natural beauty. By venturing beyond the casinos and luxury boutiques, you'll discover a different side to this tiny principality, a place of hidden gems, local charm, and unexpected treasures. From the exotic plants of the Jardin Exotique to the fresh flavors of La Condamine Market, from the echoes of history at Fort Antoine to the serenity of the Japanese garden, Monaco offers something for everyone. So, embrace the spirit of adventure, explore the lesser-known corners of this captivating principality, and uncover the true Monaco, a place that will surprise and delight you at every turn. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Travel Fans for You.